So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC physics exam revision series, we have here these 7 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about electric conduction through materials. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the depolarizing agent in a Lalage cell is, we have A, magnesium 4 oxide, then B is ammonia chloride, C, zinc plate, and D, carbon rod. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's the magnesium 4 oxide. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here, guys. The question says here, which of the following materials does not serve as a safety device in electrical circuits? We have A, connecting wires, B, fuse, C, switch, D, earth wire. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's connecting wires. Actually, connecting wires do not serve as a safety device in electrical circuits, and that is for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys, and that's question number 3 here, guys. The question says, when a conductor mounted on an insulating stand is charged and left for some time, the conductor eventually loses all its charges. This is because the A, electric charges evaporate from the surface of the conductor. B, charges on the conductor are neutralized by opposite charges from the surrounding air. C, charges are conducted to earth. D, charges ionize the surrounding air. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Charges on the conductor are neutralized by opposite charges from the surrounding air. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 4 here, and the question here says, one major reason why electrical appliances in homes are normally heated is that the A, appliances are maintained at a lower potential difference than the air. B, appliances are maintained at the same potential difference with that of the earth. C, appliances are maintained at a higher potential difference than the earth. D, person touching the appliances is safe from electric shock. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. One major reason why electrical appliances in homes are normally heated is so that the person touching the appliances can be safe from electric shock. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 5 here, guys, and the question here says, which of the following substances does not conduct electricity? We have A, sulfuric acid, B, table salt solution, C, graphite, D, glass. So guys, obviously we know the answer to this question is glass, and that's option D here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 6 here, guys. The question says, an electric pressing iron is connected to the mains using an insulated wire. After some minutes, the wire becomes very hot. The heat generated in the wire can be minimized by replacing the wire with one of A, thick insulation, B, smaller diameter, C, thinner insulation, D, greater diameter. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's greater diameter. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, which of the following objects is not a conductor of electricity? We have A, iron rod, B, human body, C, dry wood, and D, the earth. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's the dry wood. Dry wood is not a conductor of electricity, but all the other options here can conduct electricity. So that's it for this question, and this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. where we'll post major updates on WAEC examinations. So guys, this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.